我是阿拉斯加的 Andy， 欢迎来到我的频道。
Plenty of food, plenty of booze, all that kind of stuff. Yeah. Bob, turn around, say hello, wave to the camera. Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, everybody. Well, yeah. I'm here too. Yeah.
Look at now.
Was it raining?
Taking videos for my little darling wife. Yeah.
Wow, beautiful.
More doves.
Oh, double sad. Wow, beautiful.
Secret seasoning. I don't know what they are, but it's gonna be good. Guaranteed. Go to bed. Julie needs to go to bed.
Time to get some turkeys off or something, man. Got something.
I'm gonna roll it up and see it's on its back right now. That's the rest of it right there. Okay, don't let it burn you. Up. It's been off for a little bit. I've been just sitting here on idle.
Oh, look at that.
Smoked turkeys.
Yep. Hi, Valerie.
Huh?
They're both getting video from both directions.
What else you got in there, Bum?
That's it, buddy.
All right. You did a fine job, my friend.
Smoke them if you got them.
It is tasty, too.
Huh?
It's tasty.
Is it? Did you have a bite up?
I did.
There you go.
That's my job. Just like a mess. What do you think, Bum?
Well, where's your hoodie and your hat?
Pretty fair.
I wear so many hoodies.
There you go.
Yeah.
Tell me what you think about it.
Do you get Alice?
Try it, Alice.
Maybe I like this. Is it killer or what?
Killer.
Yep.
Very good, honey.
You like?
Cody, this is right.
Oh, very good.
Maybe.
All right now. Me and Randy got this settled. Me and Randy take care of this.
She got it back out of the garbage.
Alaska here. But in New Mexico, it's blue run, man. They were sitting out in the backyard, there was a spray bottle and suntan. Baby oil and spray bottle, you know. And
Butt naked.
well, no. No.
No big bear.
Too deep. Shit, I've used a drill and a grabber. So go there, your footy. What got it?
did go a little too
Step for the comfort, have to let go down the ground.
Okay, wine glasses. How much down? How much money? I'll just take this over there.
Oh my God.
Where's my towel, honey?
I'll help you.
Nice. The best Thanksgiving I've ever had.
You want to gargle it?
laughing, climbing.
This is my own favorite choice, man, for like steaks and stuff.
Oh, that's good.
That's good, man. It goes down easy, too, man.
Hey!
And the thing about one red wine is you got to drink it all, man.
How far away do you
It'll
live?
get after you open it. I'll help you out.
Good job, Alicia. Fun guy.
How is it, guys?
It's amazing. Everything in aspects is down.
Can I plant it next to you?
You bet.
Jackie, that's Corey, and that's my brother Don.
Hi, I'm Jackie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Sweetheart. How's it going?
Oh, hell. I'm sober and upright, not in jail. It's good.
What was it? How was it? Oh, great. That son of us can chase moose like he would.
I thought you looked fatter. Happy Thanksgiving.
Some money and I got me some bees. Started making trees. Chopped down the trees and the honey's every song. All super fruits dancing.
Keep it where you just slide it under these. And these fingers you'll work them back and forth like, you know. And I do like 4 on each corner, so there's 4 on that side, on each side. So then you have the tail going that way. Absolutely, yeah.
In this pumpkin pie.
What? The pin. Cinnamon. There you go.
I got 2 turkeys and
Perfect.
that pork shoulder. I'm gonna smoke all of that.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now we need to, I guess it just all goes on the so we can use this to go as a guide, huh? I guess.
Same place.
Here's some colors. So, some white. There's
I got some kind of, well, look at here, quite the artiste. Check it out.
Not too bad, huh?
Not too bad. On the what?
This picture they got here, like it's all perfect.
Yep, looks beautiful, hon.
Not already finished?
Cool beans.
感谢您的收看，下周见。